Hello, Pioneer. My name, Dr. Fan. I know that many of you have been feeling tired, discouraged, and maybe even lost hope. 7 years have passed since some of us first started this journey, and I understand the fatigue. You might be asking yourself, why am I still here? Why keep believing in something that seems so distant? Today, I want to remind you why your presence matters, why your perseverance is powerful, and why the dreams you've held in your heart for all these years are not just fantasies. They are achievable realities. The Pi Network has always been more than just an app, more than a concept. It is a movement built on patience, consistency, and the belief that every pioneer, yes, including you, has the power to shape the future. You've seen it grow, seen it face challenges, seen skeptics doubt it, yet here you are, still part of this community. That is proof of your strength and vision. Now, let's talk about the progress. The long-awaited moment is finally approaching. The things you've been waiting for, the tools, the opportunities, the infrastructure, are coming into action. The network you helped build, the connections you fostered, and the contributions you made are about to turn into real-world impact. For those of you in the USA, and for every pioneer around the globe, this is your chance. It's the moment to take your knowledge, your patience, and your consistent effort and transform it into something tangible. No more waiting, no more wondering. The time to act is now. But it's not just about speed, it's about understanding. The Pi Network is designed to reward long-term commitment, to create value not through hype, but through real utility. Every transaction, every connection, every engagement within this network is a building block toward a decentralized future, where your contributions matter, where your voice matters, and where your efforts are recognized. 7 years may feel like a long time, but think about it. What you've learned, the habits you've built, the network you've nurtured are all priceless assets. Imagine if someone told you 7 years ago that all your patience would pay off. You'd probably be skeptical. But here you are, and the moment of realization is coming. It's normal to feel tired. It's human to question why we continue. But remember, pioneers are defined not by how quickly they succeed, but by how persistently they move forward, even when the path seems unclear. Each day you stay committed, you're contributing to a global movement that is redefining digital currency, social collaboration, and the very way we think about the future of money. So, if you're wondering whether it's worth it, let me tell you, it is. It is worth every second, every effort, every doubt you've overcome. The Pi Network is not just a dream, it's a reality in the making. And your participation is the key to unlocking its full potential. Let's visualize the future together. Imagine a world where transactions are seamless, secure, and inclusive. Imagine communities around the world connected through a network that values trust, transparency, and cooperation. Imagine the possibilities that arise when a movement driven by pioneers like you gains momentum, and the power of the network begins to ripple into everyday life. You are not alone in this journey. There are millions of pioneers around the world, working, learning, and believing alongside you. And together, we are approaching a tipping point, a moment where the foundation you helped lay will support a new era of financial freedom, global collaboration, and digital empowerment. Remember, 7 years is not a setback, it is preparation. Every challenge, every moment of doubt, and every obstacle has been shaping you into a stronger, wiser, and more determined pioneer. Now, the time has come to harness all that experience, all that knowledge, and all that perseverance into meaningful action. This is your invitation to step forward, to embrace the opportunities that are unfolding, and to contribute in ways that matter. The Pi Network's future is not just written by its founders. It is written by every pioneer who chooses to stay committed, who chooses to act with purpose, and who chooses to believe in the possibilities ahead. So I ask you again, are you tired? Maybe, but why am I still here? Because I believe in the vision, because I believe in the community, and because I believe that what we've built together is worth every moment of effort. And now, pioneers, it's your turn. The world is watching, the network is growing, and the future is waiting. Take this moment, own it, and step confidently toward your dreams. The time is now, and your journey is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning. Stay committed, stay patient, stay visionary. And most importantly, stay connected with your fellow pioneers, because together, we are stronger than any doubt, any challenge, or any obstacle. 7 years have passed. Are you tired? Perhaps, but why are you still here? Because deep down, you know that the future you've dreamed of is within reach, and the Pi Network is the bridge that will take you there. Keep building, keep believing, and remember, Every small action contributes to something bigger, something lasting, something revolutionary. This is your time, pioneers. Let's go beyond dreaming. Let's make it real.